we are. The final day of the deck railing. We did not do the deck, just the railing, and then we fixed a whole bunch of rotted areas in the rafters and everything on this. But a lot of repair. We went with the natural log. Look, we got special spray for this. That way it's treated and it doesn't rot or attract beetles and stuff. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, we're getting ready to put all these spindles on all of this. And then this Airbnb project will be done. Yeehaw!
I need to hold it.
He's always yelling at where he needs to hold it. He's trying to burn my atomic out.
Don't want to do that.
This is the most wicked gun in the day. There it is.
I swear this is one of the best
That's our exit point.
tools the wall makes.
Almost done. We are almost done, Steve. Whew. There it is. Turned out pretty good. The sun's over off that way, so I'm trying to avoid it. Geez, that looks good. All right, let's see what it looks like.
Gotta go that
Ooh,
way.
we are hurting. We are hurting today.
Right?
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful fitment, my friend.
It is, but I need to go that way. No,
Everybody gets to see just that spot right there.
I'm gonna cut that bark out like Clayton said. Maybe that'll give me just what I need. I can stand it.
This is what we did after
I
work.
made it almost 10 years, bro. 10 hours.
Listen to
Almost 10
Blake.
hours. And then the
Blake
pain
Facts.
was too bad.